Assalamualaikum and good evening. This video was made to answer our LEX 2024. We are from Group 40. Okay, this week we will identify possible team and we will pick for our basic video. Before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Zikar Kim.
My name is Alif Rasim.
My name is Ahmad Mustain.
My name is Niknur Amir Mejan.
I am Saja Bilamita Nafis. My name is Nur Al-Azam Fimansri.
My name is Alika Amanina. My name is Nashanika binti Muhammad Sabri.
So anyone want to start? You got any thoughts for our next basic video?
Me, I have came up with one idea for the next basic video. So I choose the title of financial management because I choose the financial management because it's related to us or to everyone. But I have listed a few points, but I have a problem to narrow down the scope because financial management, if we talk about financial, it will not good because we don't have for students, for people. So I don't think my idea is quite good. If anyone of you have any good ideas, share it.
How about my point of view? Okay, my idea is about the right of the employee. Okay, the reason why I choose this topic is, as we know, next week is the Labor Day. That's one of the reason I came with this video. And there's another reason is, we know that after we graduate, we have to work, right? So sometimes when we enter the new company, we don't know what our rights in that company, and sometimes we get bullied by the seniors in this company. So I think this information should be prepared to students before they graduate. So that's why I came with this. But one have another idea, which is more better.
That's a good idea, but we want to make a video is a bit difficult. So what issue is this? My point is I just think about lately we have so many cases of theft.
Robbery.
In college, even in college, focus in college.
About a month ago, I was the victim.
Seriously?
My house got somebody and stole my food.
That's why I want to just suggest about the idea because there is many strangers who came to our college expecting
For the time being, right?
maybe if we want to make a video, we can make about we can make a video on the how to make ourselves from being
As a precaution.
Good idea because I'm living in the same foundation. And also, I think the most current issue also is on global warming because now the El Nino, right?
Yes. Malaysia got so hot nowadays.
Maybe we can do prevention step on just tell other people that because mostly people just like why is this Malaysia so hot but don't know why because we're the students that we know the theory why it is hot. So maybe we can share the issue in the video.
prevention or the reason.
The reason why the world is so hot.
You can say that.
Maybe we can what is related to our aspect, right?
Yeah, I think that one is a quite good idea. Let me give out my opinion. I think I would like to suggest a theme of environment or nature for this announcement, and maybe we can focus on topics about ocean expansion. So that we I don't know, maybe act or do some video to motivate people that we can do this instead of this to prevent pollution from happening because our rain now rain because of pollution of the world. So I think by video it might raise more awareness of
Your idea on the I think that there's many ways we can make sure that our dying world now we can at least prevent it from being more worse.
I have one topic that I would like to point out, but I think the topic is quite general and you guys already heard about it, which is the topic is about healthy lifestyle. It's a big topic, right? So, the healthy lifestyle, what I think is actually a big scope, which we can narrow it down and point it out to another small scope, such as the eating habits, the relationship among persons. For example, the eating habits, we can say that the person that he or she consume the food in his daily life according to the medical right. And second thing is the healthy lifestyle, which is his physical activities, whether indoor or outdoor activities. Such as outdoor, can make a video such as what is hiking or whether he or she do a lot of activities, sports, cycling. Then and another point that we can make from that.
So you mean that we narrow this to
we are thinking about how to practice
healthy lifestyle for how to prevent
That's what.
Such as doing sport and doing sport, eating, meditation, having a good relationship with friends, family.
There is such a good idea to say that people already know about it, but actually we are not aware of it.
I think our idea is really good because the first thought I came up with an idea which is stress management, but on second thought I changed it to mental illness because actually among students we don't know how many students actually have this mental illness. I choose this topic because me myself I've been diagnosed with panic, social anxiety and depression. So you might see your friends like they are happy on the outside, they are like literally dying inside because of their problems. So actually this thing is happening among the students, but we don't know because they hide it very well. And that's my idea. But I think like stress management, healthy lifestyle also need to give help on how to prevent mental illness because we need a healthy eating health.
If we proceed your idea, what is the scope? I mean, is it how to
that's the problem because I don't know how to make a video actually. You can do it like how to prevent, how to attack, how to help your friend who have mental illness. Yeah, maybe the signs of mindfulness.
And like we have also awareness. The awareness are sign.
It's really interrelated with the chapter that you should like.
Yeah.
But it's more specific. More specific.
We can focus on just mental illness.
Yeah, I interrupt. I think for me, I think Zan's idea is suitable for our next topic because currently we are undergoing a serious heat problem in Malaysia. Every what do you think? Everywhere, and everyone is having trouble coping with it. So for Zan's video, it would be nice if we can make an awareness and how we can keep ourselves healthy in this situation that cannot be avoided. Because some people acknowledge that right now it is hot, but nobody is drinking enough water, and we keep on exercising at on unsuitable time where the heat is strongest. So it might be better for us students because especially me, I do not know this stuff, so I would like to research what is and spread it to our college students.
So it's related to heat stroke or so it's related to
Is that is that specific only on El Nino disasters or because global warming, right? So
yeah,
No, I think he is specifying it, but for me, I think global warming is what's important because the people that are most affected are us because we live in the
So
artificial
you are
world.
going to point out drink more water, avoid spending exercise, and then what weather.
It's like
Wasn't that related
Because
to healthy lifestyle?
the lifestyle is more about the diet and how we can keep our body healthy and fit. But this is for the current
because most of the people usually doesn't know the impact of the actually can lead to that of the heat stroke. People doesn't realize it.
There are two things again, is global warming and mental illness interrelated with the public health. So,
I think we have to choose topics. First, we should consider the interesting story, and then how we are going to produce this that because the topic that we choose is easy. Can I start? Okay. I think Arm's idea is quite good, and we should consider it because it's like cool. I mean, it's general and it's all our topic can relate with and I think we can include more and we can specify one specific point and we can try to make it more interesting.
global warming or El Nino is current issue. It's happened now in just quite time.
It's one short period of time.
But the healthy lifestyle is long term.
Yeah, my opinion also, if the person practice a healthy lifestyle, actually the early law or the sickness can be overcome actually by practicing the healthy lifestyle. So, I quite agree. I quite agree with our ideas. So I don't know about the others.
Me, I agree with Arm's idea because it seems like really easy things to do, but actually even he as a student we do not follow the healthy lifestyle. We drink cokes, we drink carbonated drinks, Maggi, yeah,
Sleep.
coffee, a lot of coffee. So it's not good. And so healthy lifestyle is what we can present to people and show them, even though this is a basic thing to know, but it's really important to practice it in our daily life.
I'll be on a video later. This is a advanced method, such as drinking more water. Then, quick why we drink more water, so people can see translation. Yeah, and then at that point we can see why it's because of COVID-19 and abuse going on.
So diabetes is some stuff, right?
Yes.
So that's all for our meeting today.
For this week.
For this week.
So we meet next week and we'll discuss more further on the topic. So I hope everyone will come up with at least one idea. One example and elaboration. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Thank you for
listening.